I have a friend right now who married a Jamaican girl, and about 2 months after she get her 10-year green card, she moved out of the house they both shared and went to live with her sideman who was illegal. That sideman breed her and now divorced and now she divorced from my virgin. The sideman is now straight because she married him and straightened him out. Nobody is going to do me like that. I rather stay single than to marry an illegal immigrant Jamaican. Don't care what anyone want to say. Biggest part of this joke is not my virgin is that my virgin is early 50s and the girl is late 30s now. But look good Jamaican, him they can run down now. Him credit mess. Mm-mm. Kinda mess up the last part in the reading, but wanna get the point. You know, this gentleman put in the comment section the other day, Jam, pick up yourself. May I read your comment and I'm like, wow. Now me see why you say the man put in the comment section what there and me do a video on it. He say we'll never marry to an undocumented Jamaican. And me I tell him say everybody are not the same because well, my husband came down and he married me and bring me here. My husband was here before, but at the same time, what I'm saying is that January I come, I go make 10 years now, me and my husband leave. And when me and him accomplish together, and if me, good people out there, I'm still I say that, good people out there, because me want the best in my husband. The best. Me want the best for him. Me pray for him. Me get up and me cooking food for him. If me dey warm. You know all that that feel? This morning him lay down in him bed and me get up and me go supermarket yesterday and me buy 2 roast breadfruit. Me cook ackee and sausage, me roast it. If you no follow me, Dana be live channel, you know we see some of my food that me cook. Me cook good food for my husband. Me work him work. We make we own money. We look out for each other. Nothing like when you have a partner who you trust and loyal and believe me, the side man not there. We not have eyes out there I look for a man. My husband is now 50 and me close, me not that far from him. So and that from me come here, we not have eyes in nobody. So, me have one burner coal stove. So that's why me I say, me uno want to go in a category like that because when you're loyal and you treat people good, you have to just be loyal. That's why I say, you know, sometimes some things you hear, some things and you hear some story. It really turn your mind and change your mind from doing things and helping people. You know, when I listen to that story, it's like it will make you not want to do nothing for nobody. I'm glad say, boy, I tell you, it's rough because you've been with the man in game papers, and 2 months after you get your 10 year, you just left. So you know what can happen now? Because sometimes these are the things that happen. You see that man they know where she give the card in at the back of him head, Him not trust her, You think him trust her, and a lot of men, a lot of women don't realize that. You see, we don't know. If you're one man and you watch the video here, tell me in the comment section. When you meet a woman with a man and the woman there asleep with you and asleep with the man where she live with, how you feel? Say that was not me. You see, me in a one relationship, me would have really want to feel like, unless me I know say me and the partner they now work out. Me not see him for all that or me feel like the relationship not gonna work. But to have live with somebody and to have a go to a side man, nah, nah do that. Nah live with no man and still I left my man house and I go. When me and you lay down in a bed. Like me don't know how people do them something there. That me don't know how they how woman especially, how they really do them something there. Like me couldn't leave my house. Even if me and my husband upset, maybe me will do emotional cheating. Because if me live with my partner, me realize say we are drift apart. Um maybe we do emotional cheating because we talk to maybe if a friend or a man will like me or so that is a would that be a different thing. But if we just left the house and go a female and go sleep with and then come back or lay down in the bed with my husband, no do that. Or my boyfriend, we couldn't do that. But so for instance, say we live bad with my partner yard and we don't have a happy home, we don't have a happy life. Maybe to get my mind out of the way and get my mind off of things. Then we maybe talk to other guys and then we flirt and them something there. But me not gonna go sleep with them. No, not gonna go do that. Not gonna do that. But look, a flirting maybe especially you have some man friends and you know you and them rock from time to time. Maybe you reach out to them because you go through some stress where you go on your house or them something there. Yeah, maybe we flirt with them a little bit or so, but that's just about it. It's sad. You know, people go through some things. 2 months after you get your 10-year green card? Oh God, man. Oh God. That's sad. She never want a man. It have her side man all along. And that side man, I don't think he will be ever. That man would have never got married to she. If you there with one man and you find a side man, say for instance, say, me I plan to come out of the relationship here. You see, the side man when me find to help me get over the man when me live with, he might go help me take off the mind off of the man when me live with. But am I gonna love that man? Maybe not. Because him is a rebound man. You get what me I say? Him is a rebound man. If me did in a single relationship where me married to somebody and me married for love and me to say my relationship now gonna work out and me meet the other guy during that time where me unhappy. Because if me happy in a relationship, me not gonna meet nobody, you know. I'm not gonna interested. But if me unhappy in a relationship and me meet a guy, um, him is a rebound guy. He might go take my mind off of my husband. So am I gonna love that guy? I don't think I would. Me not know for nobody else. But me think he might be a rebound and me wanna sleep with him. It's just somebody more want to communicate to see if we can get my trust back together because me feel betrayed. So we talk about things. And if me talk to him about my problem with my relationship, that the man them me not want him. Because any man when me think me have been with, he not supposed to in a my relationship, my past relationship. He not supposed to know everything when me do in a my past relationship, unless I the good one them. But all of the bad ones them, me not go dump it on him. Because he might go hold that over we and a lot of women don't realize say when you are go move forward, what in the past, leave it in the past. A lot of women don't know that, them dump all of them problems on that man. And that man, don't, you don't know, say everybody have a mental, everybody have a mind. And them, some people, not everybody, but some people hold those things over you. And them I said, so, we don't want to wife up that girl. She don't know nobody. All them something they cannot go through all a man head. You don't know where a man a think. So when you have your dump, left it in at the dump, and that's the past. When you have these whole heap of things, first of all, build that relationship and that foundation up front. I'm gonna do another video on this because this I get steamy. When you have a relationship, when you go in a relationship, stop tell the man them about on the past relationship and make See what them is about. And if them not what you want, and them not up to your self-worth and your standard, don't even bother go far with them. Woman or man, straight. If them not up to no speed, man. But you no carry no baggage from the past relationship and go dump it on the man now when you no think say might be a future. Tough it out, man. Hold it down, man. Tough it out. When you no see say them show no that space when you can trust that person and you build that foundation on just the two of you. Build up that foundation on just the two of you. You understand? When you build that and it becomes solid as a rock, it's hard to break. So you can start now to give him one and two look a piece if you want. If not, just throw it in a garbage and dump it. Take it out of your head too. It's hard to get out some of the things then because you're human beings and we go through it. But every now and then maybe you can say one piece and have to dump out the whole story. But say, say, when we did that 14, me go through this or me go through that. But nobody say, okay, say, this happened to me when me are 14, and this happened to me when me are 16, and this happened to me when me are 17, and this happened to me also when me are 17. Not throw down the whole of the baggage pan them one time like that. Leave room for processing. A people mind need to process things. So when you dump things pan them, even them get confused of your own past. And them don't know who them with. Them don't know who you are. Them don't know. If you and them have a little problem, them next thing I'll tell you you're broken, you're hurt, you're this, you're that. Them use it against you. People are like that. So you have to be careful when you're going into a relationship and have somebody where you feel like going to be a potential partner. Build a foundation and just both of you. That's just my, 2 cents to that part. A lot of people really married for just get them stuff. Uh, and one thing we can tell you for sure, you don't know what is going on in a man head. Them can tell you something with them not think and not so it go. So actions speak louder than words. And a man can pretend for so long, but the true color will eventually comes out. You know, you can be with somebody for 10 years, 20 years, and you don't know a lot about them, especially if you live with that person. You're going to see the true color of that person because you can't pretend forever. You cannot. Oh, God. Sorry for hear that, man. But now I realize why you feel that way about somebody that is under a woman that is undocumented and you're not ever going because you see a virgin and go through that. So for you to pick up a life like that, it would have been hurt. But as I say, I know every woman and you have good woman out there. I know good woman too. Me know good woman out there. And the other thing I want to share with you because I've known people that gone through this. Um, so when you're married to somebody who is undocumented, don't treat them bad. Do not treat them bad because that will come back to haunt you. That's how they're going to pretend. You see, when your paper for sign for going to immigration, don't hold that as a cloud. I know people who does that. I'll do another video on that. Yeah. I'm gonna share some things about that in another video. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow or whenever. But I'm gonna share something with you. I share something important with you now when I'm married to somebody. Big up on yourself. More blessings, more prosperity. And hit that like button. Hit that like button. Me a dance uno, And uno tell me for dancing. Oh, hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Big up my dancers them. Hit that like button. Woo! Hit that like button. Hit that. I show la fia. Hit that. I show la fia. Hit that. I show la fia. Hit that like button. It will be greatly. Uno know say me can sing. Uno know say me write 2 songs and me a wait pon them and I know me can't get them one drop them pon the channel yeah. Uno go hear me song them. Me can't wait for no hear me song them. And I go say, but then I have use, man. You have look of use, man. Hit that like button. Boy. Bye bye, Donnas. Mwah.